Incessant rain across Maharashtra has led to flooding in several districts, resulting in the death of at least 136 people. The rain caused significant loss of property as well. Rescue operation now underway. Take a look.
For 3 days, coastal Maharashtra has been the epicenter of the havoc caused by heavy rains. More than 120 people have lost their lives in the heavy flooding and landslides. More than 50% of Chiplun in Ratnagiri is submerged underwater after the town received more than 300 mm rains in 24 hours between July 22nd and 23rd. When India Today reached the town, its residents were battling to set their lives in order.
हमने तो प्रिकॉशन ले ली थी। 2 रैक जो हमने पूरे खाली किए थे और 50% जो माल इधर का था वो हमने घर में लिया था, लेकिन घर में भी पानी भर गया और 10-12 फीट पानी 24 घंटे घर में था और इधर भी वही सिचुएशन थी।
Damaged vehicles were a common sight on the streets. Multiple rescue teams have been deployed in the town. Indian Air Force and Navy teams are also helping in evacuating people stranded in the floods.
We somehow reached to the base location and we started the rescue there itself. It was a very tough time in the late hours because we had zero visibility and we couldn't manage either ways because there were a lot of rains. We had a clogged cars, we had zero visibility and hence we tried to rescue the best out of it.
सर अभी तक हमने 50-60 लोगों को बचा है और वृद्ध अलग है, छोटे बच्चे अलग है, इसमें बहुत सारे थे.
Policemen joined the rescue operations, taking many patients to safety from hospitals. The situation is critical not just in Ratnagiri. In Kolhapur, 47 villages have been cut off. Landslides in Raigad district have killed more than 35 people, and massive search and rescue mission led by the NDRF, Indian Army and Navy is on for the 30 missing residents.
Continuous heavy rainfall has caused havoc in this region. Such landslides have added difficulties to the rescue operation. But somebody has rightly said, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. With cameraman Vaibhav Kangutkar, this is Pankaj Khelkar reporting from Ground Zero